So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description. It's going to take you to the VMware, Fusion and Workstation website. And now once you're on this, you want to click on download now, which will now take us to here. Now once you're on this, on the top right, you want to click on login. And now you want to select register. You want to make an account with Broadcom. After you type in your email address and then you fill in the captcha, you want to click on next. It's now going to send you a verification code to your email. After you put in the code, you want to click on verify and continue. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to fill in your details. You want to tick the box and then select create account. And now once you've made an account, you want to scroll down and then select I'll do it later. And now you want to click on login. And now you want to sign into your account. And now once you've signed in, on the left hand side, you want to select my downloads. And now once you're on this, it's going to be saying free software downloads available here. You want to click on this. And now we're just going to scroll down until we find VMware Workstation Pro. You want to click on this. It should now take us to here. You want to read the terms and conditions. Just read through it. Once you're done reading through all of this, you want to go back. And then you want to tick the box, I agree. And we can now start the download. And then click on yes. There's actually a bit more verification that needs to be done. So once you see that all of this is correct, and you read through all of this, then you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on submit. And now once you've done that extra verification, now we can scroll down, and this should finally work if you click on download. It's now going to start downloading VMware Workstation Pro. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been downloaded, we can now click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. You want to accept the terms. And then click on next. And then click on next again. Choose your install location and then click on next. You can untick the second box if you want to. I will leave the first box ticked and then click on next. You can make a desktop shortcut. Click on next. And then click on install. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now click on finish. We can now launch VMware Workstation Pro. And then that's how you do it.